Afternoon, welcome. This is Waec English here 2020 test of oral past question. Question number 33, and the instruction here says that we should look out for the option or word that rhymes with the given word, and the given word here is pronounced as flood, not flood as people pronounce it, flood, and sound flood, and it is a noun word. It is a noun word. A noun word of one syllable. Then option A here is also a noun word. It is pronounced as cord. Let's say, look at the transcription. Cord, long or, and it is also a noun word of one syllable. Then option B is pronounced as canned, not could, canned. So then it is also a noun word. It's also a noun word of one syllable. Then option C is also a noun word, but it is pronounced as canned. So a noun word of one syllable too. Then option D is pronounced as core, long or. Then it is also a noun word of one syllable. So they are both one syllable, and they all, which means that each word has one unit of pronunciation, and they all belongs to the same grammatical class called noun. But by a transcription, we find out that the only option that rhymes with the given word is option B, because in option B transcription we find out that we have vowel number 12 as in the given word. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.